Hello everyone. So how to install Rumble app. So here's the app. It's a new trending photo and video app, kind of one of TikTok alternatives. So yeah, just go to your app store, search for Rumble, tap Get, and then it should start downloading on your device. So it's about 21 megabytes, so not that huge app. So yeah, you can watch and subscribe your favorite channels, you can upload your videos, and basically you can just vote on your favorite or not favorite video, and then you can earn some like cash draw. So there you have it. And so yeah, just watch content, upload content, and win some like cash rewards which you can withdraw later. There you have it. You just need to create an account, and yeah, that's another step.